Flipped AI Chat is promoted on their official website and Google Play as an app where you can chat with AI characters. On the surface, it looks fun, easy to use chatbot for entertainment and casual conversation. The app highlights character based interactions rather than professional productivity tools, which makes it appealing for people who want novelty rather than serious AI work. The concerns come from trust and quality. Many of the glowing reviews look very suspicious, posted in bulk, and often vague. On Reddit forums, users question whether flipped AI is truly innovative or just a branded wrapper around existing models. Others complain about limited functionality, upselling tactics, and the app feeling more like a gimmick than a robust AI platform. Flipped AI chat isn't an outright scam, it does work, but it's best seen as a basic entertainment chatbot with heavy marketing hype. If you're looking for serious AI productivity or creative tools, more established platforms are a safer bet.